If you want to set up a voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you need to go to the phone app, then we need to switch to the keypad, and we need to simply speed dial number 1. So press and hold your finger on number 1, and then you should call the voicemail of your carrier. Now, if that doesn't work for you for some reason, most likely this is due to the voicemail number not being set up properly. So in order to set it up, we can press these three dots over here in the top right corner and go to settings. Then over here scroll down, go to voicemail, and here you should be able to find voicemail for your SIM cards, for example, so you can edit them. Now in order to find those voicemail numbers, we need to find them somewhere, for instance on the internet, or you need to somehow contact your carrier or service provider to be able to get that voice number. Of course, you can enter the voice number by yourself manually over here in the keypad, but of course it is much easier to simply speed dial number 1 to do so, and then simply follow the instructions that you will be given when you call that number. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!